That glossy brochure showing chill investors on yachts? Total BS. Real estate investing often smells more like stale cigarettes left by a nightmare tenant and feels like juggling chainsaws blindfolded. My first flip looked perfect on paper. Then we opened a wall. Termites had thrown a feast, turning beams into sawdust. Suddenly, my profit margin looked thinner than cheap paint. Another time, a rock-solid tenant vanished overnight, leaving behind 3 cats and a hole in the wall shaped suspiciously like a fist. You learn fast that spreadsheets don't account for sheer human chaos or the gut-wrenching silence when a lender pulls funding last minute. Forget timing the market perfectly. It's a ghost you'll never catch. Focus on the deal itself. Can it withstand a storm? Do your numbers still work if rates bump or vacancy hits? Trust your gut feeling, that knot in your stomach when walking a property. It's usually screaming a warning, the inspection report whispers. Build cash reserves like a squirrel prepping for nuclear winter. You'll need them. Each property is less like a golden goose and more like a wild horse. You gotta learn its quirks, respect its power, and be ready to get bucked off before you can truly ride it. The stress can taste metallic like old pennies, but the satisfaction of turning chaos into cash, that's pure gold. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building resilience brick by painful brick. The scars teach you more than the seminars ever will. Keep learning, keep adapting, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. That's where the real lessons and the real money are found.